Hello friends, my name is Gaurav and in this video I am going to show you how can you make a website in Canva. Yes, you heard right. You can also make a website in Canva. In these days people are making a website in WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and I think so many tools available online, but it's too complicated to make a simple website. Friends, if you want to make a simple professional website, even a professional landing page, so once you should try with Canva. So let's dive in video. Okay friends, so this is a Canva official website. First you need to sign up from here if you don't have any account in Canva. Okay, you can sign up with your Google account, means Gmail, and you can sign up with your Facebook account. Okay, I have already account, so I will log in with my Gmail account. Okay, this is a Canva platform. Okay, so first we will type here mobile first website. So yeah, this option is available, so just click on it, mobile first website. Okay, there's some templates available. Some templates are paid and some templates are free. Yes, free also available. Okay, so let's take one template. Uh, let's take which one is free and more attractive. Uh, paid, free. Okay, let's make our custom website. Okay, click on it. Create a blank mobile first. Okay, so we can add a page from here. Okay, just click on it. See, now you have two pages, one page, page 1, page 2. Okay, just click on this. Now we are at one page. Okay, so we add some photos. Just click on it. Okay, here lot of images. Okay, let's take some image. Okay, let's create a pizza store. So let's find pizza. Click on it, pizza. Free images available also. Yeah, good. So take from, okay, this one. Okay, click on it and just drag toward upside. Okay, and just fit this. Okay, now we will add some text. Okay, just first we first we will add a heading. Okay, uh, online pizza store. Okay, just this one. Okay, now add a button. mm, Click on it, this element option. Okay, and type here button. Okay, and click button. Okay, a lot of buttons available here. Just take it, which one is good for our template. I think this one. Let's take this one. Okay, just okay, set. Okay, now put some text on it. Click on text and click on text and just click on add a little bit of body text. Okay, and edit this text, order now. Okay, Just click on it and move on toward buttons. Okay, place on the button. Okay, and change the color of text. Click on it and click on it this text color option. Okay, let's take yeah, it's cool. Just increase little bit size from here. I think we need bold option also, so just click on it. Yes. Okay, yeah, it's cool. Okay, now let's add some text. Click on it this text option. Okay, and click, let's take this option. Okay, and move it toward downside here. Okay, add some text. Okay, take a dummy text. I am taking a dummy text from Lorem Ipsum. uh, this is a website where you can take a dummy text from your for your website. Okay, I will copy it and paste it. Okay, so just uh, set it. Okay, just increase the size of, yeah, should look better. Okay, just set the alignment left side. Yeah. Okay, so see, this is our first page. It's look great. Okay friends, let's make our second page. Okay, you can add from here. Okay, you can also copy it from first page. If you want to make a similar type of this page, so you can also copy it. So just click on it and click right. Okay, just click right and uh, click on duplicate option. See, we have similar type of this page. Okay, so we will change it a little bit. Change, I will remove this button, so click on it and delete. Okay, and I will just set here. Okay, and I will remove it. Okay, and I will add some menu here. So in text option, okay, here this text option, just type menu. Menu, yeah, a lot of option available. Canva is really great. So just okay, first I will delete this also. Delete, just click which one is looking good and better. I think this one is looking great. Yeah, just increase the size. Yes, cool man, cool, really cool, and really amazing tool. Yeah. Oh man, come on, great. Okay, so this is our second page. Okay, now add button here. Okay, let's add one more button here. Just we can also copy this button. Just click on it and copy and paste it here. Okay, just button is appearing, not text. Okay, let's copy text also. Copy it and paste it. Okay, just okay, this is our CTA. Yes, great. Okay, So let's make our third page. Just click on it, and in our third page I think we should make a contact page. Yes, so just click our photos option. Okay, and click let's try call now. Okay, no option available, so let's try contact. Great, great. Okay, so I think this is nice. Yeah, so just fit and set the alignments of this image. Yes, great, 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 good. Okay, so and add some address here. Just click on the text option. Let's try address. uh, yeah, great. Click on it, address option, and just okay, we can change here. Okay, uh, here we can change address. Okay, just add Delhi 2054 sector 1 India. Okay, here we will type number, contact number you can say. Okay, let's change it, contact 0124. Let's dummy contact. Okay, okay, now let's add some we have added address. Okay, address contact. Okay, we have mentioned address contact, and what can we add more or mention? Let's try just address contact. Yeah, email. So let's add email. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Just remove it. Yeah, email. No coding skill 94 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, we don't need this section, so click on it and delete element. Click on it, delete element. Yes, great. So uh, we made three pages. Page 1, school. Page 2, yes, and our last page, this. Okay, you can say this is a contact page. Okay, home page, about us page, you can say menu page, and contact page. So this is our website, mobile first website. Okay, now we will publish it. Okay, so just click on it, this publish as website. Okay, and click here, choose website style option. Okay, click on it, scrolling. Okay, and click, and let's see preview, open website. Yeah, let's try, come on, yes, great, great. Yes, this is our website. So guys, we made a mobile friendly website, and it's very simple. And I know we can also make more attractive. Okay, so once you should also try with Canva. Canva is a very beautiful tool, and everyone can make a website in Canva. So guys, we made this website, and if you enjoy this video and you think this is helpful for you, so please like and share and subscribe my channel. In my channel, I will tell you, if you are a non-technical person, so I will tell you how can you make a website, logo, banner, video without coding, okay, and without deep knowledge with heavy softwares. Okay, so let's meet in our next video. Take care. Bye.